Mustafa Chiza orukura akakiiko k'ebigwererezi habwa district ya Kasese kandi obirajwe chiredisi wa Kasese nagira ngo abebembezi na n'ebitongole bitari bya government byine kuba nibyetebekana sawa kirikare ebigwererezi bitakabireho.
And we are changing from response to preparedness. That is what we are encouraging all communities, all stakeholders to minimize the damage. We are saying let us gear our efforts towards being prepared for the disasters, pre-planning than responding.
Ogunagira ngo district ezi nekira kuteganisa ubwo kutenguka kw'enshozi na no kuboga kw'emizera.
Kasese is affected by two major disasters, that is landslides and floods. Landslides and floods, and they occur twice a year.
Ahantu haba Worldwide Fund na naba Chima Foods bakwatanisa kuhera za grupo ku muri district ezi hamwe na neyarubirizi obwe bariko bahereza sente ezirije kubahwero kumara hwebizu bebi.
Abiri tubekwine kizuba cyo konerwa enzozo na nekizuba cyamizi. Sente ze zibatwereza za kutuyamba kombeka amatanko mu makaga abantu. Abana bitu bareke guma kuzompaka kuza kuribwa yenyamisho.
Aneta Simwe okurwa mu kitongole cha Worldwide Fund nagira ngo bakozire ekiri kubasika okureba ngo abatura barinde byo bahangwa barukurabira mu kubyara emiti.
We've also planted trees in the communities. Each community has been trained on planting the trees and ensuring that they have enough firewood so that they don't go to the park. Some of the climate change issues that will come here is because the trees have been cut off.
Well, climate change is certainly a global problem and it's no longer a future problem. So I think Buito here is a perfect evidence that climate change is already upon us. It's not something that we have to plan for exclusively in the future.
But we feel with our achievements in these areas, we can still benchmark on our achievements to expand to other areas.
Ebina Kanyambuko Development Group ku muri Kasese na Chankwanze bacara tukore hamwe bikoguze group ku muri district ya Rubirizi na n'ibindi nibyo bitungere sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 3 emitwaro 92 hamwe na n'50. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.